Hi guys, this is Jaime Santillan Jr. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, Principle of Dog Training GR, like and share. Ako de guys, taga Sibunga de ko nga dog trainer. Kung willing mo magpa-train guys, please contact my number 0933-483-6114. Again, 0933-483-6114. O karon guys, ako ning trainingon akong Siberian Husky nga si Bravo. Akong trainingon ani niya karon watchdog. Look at guys. Bravo. Always good boy, ha, Bravo. Don't panic. Good boy, Bravo. Listen, Bravo. I said clear the area. Good. I said search. First. Clear the area. Search. Search. Double time. Faster. Search. Clearing the area. Search. Where's? Hurry up. Faster. Double time. Search. Where's? Search. Where's? Good boy, ha? Search. Good boy. Don't panic. Okay, good boy. Clearing the area. Okay, good boy. Okay. It's okay. Good boy. Okay, remember. Listen. Just always good boy. Good boy. Okay. Good boy. Okay. Oh, no to guys. CB partial lang sad to. Ang katong yang watchdog. Hinaot ko guys nga na-enjoy mo sa akong video. Like and share. Thank you and God bless to all. Bye-bye. Bravo! Good boy! Good boy!